Hi friends, today we're going to draw and color a super cute sailboat inside a circle with bubbles and stars. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a big circle. This will be the boundary of our drawing. Next, I draw a zigzag line. Guess what? That's our water wave. Now let's draw the bow of the boat. Then, I draw a straight line to make the mainsail, and add a jib sail too. Oh, don't forget I add a little flag on top to make it look super cool. Lastly, I add some fun details like bubbles and tiny stars in the background. Wow, our drawing is complete. Now it's time to make it colorful. Let's go. First, I pick brown for the bow. Next, I choose green for the jib. Then, I go with yellow for the mainsail. Now I pick red for the flag and some of the fun details. After that, I use blue for the sea wave and color all the bubbles. And finally, I choose cyan for the sky. And there you go. Our shiny and colorful sailboat is all done. If you had fun drawing and coloring with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings every week. See you next time, friends. Bye.